What is up? This is Shane, the Rising Grand Picker, and it's time to thrift small town USA. We are traveling across country, going south. I don't know where we're going to end up. We're probably going to be on the road for at least 6 days, and we are going to thrift some crazy places, and we're going to try to find some of the most rare stuff that we can find in thrift stores. So I don't know where our next destination is. We're in Mount Vernon, Missouri, and we're heading south. Alright, I just found this in a thrift store in Missouri. We're in Mount Vernon, Missouri, and this is about a $20 VHS, 20-30 bucks right here, so that's good. We're gonna look at the shirts real quick. Ooh, okay, this right here, I'll usually sell these for about 30, sometimes 28 to 33, 35 bucks. They are $1. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. This is a super small thrift store, so we're gonna be looking for some treasures. Let's see if we can find some more. I found this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's a Commodore 64 game, and the game is not in there. Nothing's in here. That stinks. That was a really good find that totally just now I can't buy it. All right, so it's raining here. We're in Mount Vernon, Missouri, and I made about, you seen when I bought in that thrift store, I made about 50 bucks. So now it's time to on to the next one. I don't know where we're stopping. I really don't know where we're gonna end up, but we're heading south. And to be honest, probably another small town thrift store. This one just was not all that it's cracked up to be. So this traveling stuff is tough. You don't know where you're gonna lay your head at night. You don't know where you're gonna be at. And hopefully we just find it at the thrift store. I had to stop and get gas, but it's life on the road. Literally the first item since we walked in. This is what we find. Totally cool. That was a good score. So we're looking for some really unique clothing. I've only found that Ferris Bueller's Day Off jacket so far. Ooh, what is this? So $5.49. So we're gonna get this. It's a Volition America Puma. All right, I comped it, and I think I could get 40 bucks, maybe 30 bucks for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. It doesn't look like it has any flaws. Goodwill and thrifting is way better in Missouri, but Oklahoma is still paying off. It is still paying off. I haven't found a lot of stuff, but I have found some decent $30, $40, $50 items here, so still pretty good. Oh, that's really nice. No tag. So all we bought in there was the jacket I showed you and the polo, and I did get a Monster Energy New Era hat that sells for about 30 bucks. It was $2.99, but man, the Oklahoma thrift stores, well, let's say the Oklahoma Goodwills, they are super duper expensive. All right, so you tell me where you all think has the best thrifting. I thought about going down into Texas, maybe coming back through Louisiana. You tell me where you think or where you would like to see. I might go there, I can't guarantee it, but post down in the comments where you would like to see me thrift at, or go picking at, or go buy stuff at. I don't know. I don't think anything's off the table right now. I don't know where I'm going exactly. I just know that I'm probably going to be in Oklahoma a couple days, and then I'm going to head back whichever way I want to go. Probably definitely back through Missouri again, because Missouri definitely paid the bills. So if you like this video, go down below and like, share, and subscribe, and we're gonna get into the video now. So go ahead and smash that like button, and let's get into it.
All right, guys, we're gonna take a look, see what old Shane's getting here. These are ostrich. These should sell pretty well. These are Lazy Bee ostrich boots. There's half of one. Where's the other? Right there. Cool. And the bottoms,
Pretty decent.
not bad. Not bad.
What I do with these to make these a little better is I have a brush at home, and I will take a little sandpaper, sand these down, and then I have some like chemical I put on this, and it makes it slip again.
Dang. So there's that. That's probably 50 bucks, 40, 50 bucks pretty easily. What pair is that?
Oh, these are
Nakona
boots.
Yep, Nakona. Those ought to sell.
Yeah, those would be
pretty easily. I don't know where the other one of this is right now.
It's right here.
Oh, there it is. Okay. And these are Nakona as well. Nice.
These are nice.
Yeah. You'll get some money out of those. Bunch of shoes. Bunch of shoes. Are you pretty excited about this deal?
Yeah, I think it's a good deal.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to make some good money on it.
Yeah.
Gonna free up space for you to buy more storage units and more
storage units and more Goodwill mystery pallets. Yeah, Gaylords and stuff. Shane thinks I'm crazy. Don't you?
Hey, I mean, I'll be honest with you. If I had, so the only reason I don't do that is honestly I don't have the Goodwills in my area. They don't do it. They're boutique stores.
Yeah.
So they don't mess with it. I don't have really any bin stores other than Indy or St. Louis near me. So I would probably do it if it was in my area. So I just don't. So I do a lot of clothing because that's just what's around me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Dan Post. Dan Post.
Yep. You're getting a good slew.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, I'm a pretty good picker. Not to toot my own horn, but
yeah, you pick up some solid brands. I'll say that. But see, the other thing is the brands you have here. Most of them I wouldn't find in my area. You know what I mean? It's crazy.
It's weird because. Oh, you're buying steak tonight?
Yeah, I'm buying steak.
Because look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness! Look at that. That is a huge pile of shoes, and he's paying $2.50 a pair. There's 170 pair of shoes here, so that's I think $425 right now.
Yeah, you got about probably 50 or 60 more inside.
Yes. Oh yeah, we've got 50 or 60 more inside. You know what's crazy, Shane, is you will make every penny of your money back in only 4 pairs that are sitting right here in this pile.
Oh, especially those fireman boots.
Yeah, the fireman boots here. These are easy, 100 bucks, easy. He's got like 4 or 5 pair of these Danner combat boots.
And those are vintage.
Yes, they're vintage. They're gonna do just fine. They obviously need cleaning, but you know what? A little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of time, and you're gonna make a lot of money.
Oh yeah, I've cleaned a lot of shoes before.
Yeah.
So this is definitely gonna be a lot of shoes.
It looks crazy, I know, guys, but trust me on this. There's a lot of money. So all of these, all the way back here, all of those, he's getting all of those, and back there is more. Let's show them what you're getting here. So all the shoes that are on these shoe racks here, he's getting those. Pretty good slew of them. Then you got shoes in this bin, and then there's also shoes in that bin there.
So you've seen the pile of shoes in Jason's office. I'm currently stuck in Oklahoma because there's a winter storm. Crazy how we're 2 hours from Texas and there is a winter storm, and it's really bad. But obviously I don't know if you can see the snow, but it is snowing down. Like the snow is coming down super crazy right now. We did fit all the shoes in my van, so let me wipe this off. I don't even know if you can see in here because the windows are super tinted, but hold on, let me unlock it. That would be probably smart. So the van is loaded down with shoes, and I'm not gonna be able to see from the back of my van. It is over 300 shoes in here, probably close to 400 shoes, and I'm gonna have to use only my side mirrors when driving home, which means the drive home is gonna be a little complicated. So Jason, why did you sell me the shoes?
Well, how many shoes did we sell you?
It was a lot. It was a lot.
285 pair.
It was a lot, and we still have like 30 to like bag up today.
Yeah, so I had that huge pile that you guys saw, plus another 115 pair from in my storage area in the house. I sold you the shoes because back when I first started YouTube, that's what I was doing. I was going to the Goodwill bins. I was picking out shoes, and I was bringing them home, cleaning them, listing them on eBay. I had dreams and aspirations of turning this shop into like this massive, huge shoe warehouse. And, you know, I just outgrew that. I was kind of tired of dealing in shoes, so I went... When I started storage units and these Goodwill mystery pallets, I just ran out of room for shoes. So I decided to liquidate my shoe inventory.
Well, and I seen some of the stuff you pick up from storage units, and it's crazy.
Yeah.
Like profitable.
Yeah.
Like I think you listed
this set of books here, guys. This set of books right here is about $350 on eBay. It's Nicene and post-Nicene Fathers. It's a religious book set. This is like $350 on eBay. This is anti-Nicene Fathers. This book set right here is about $400 on eBay.
Well, and last night, like, what did you list on eBay? It was like $3,500, and I was like falling asleep in that chair while you were listing, and I was like, I'm tired.
It took me about 2 hours to list about $3,500 worth of stuff. One of them is a Bernina digital sewing machine. Listed it for $1,200.
So, and then you got Goodwill mystery pallets. Like, this is another reason I think you sold me the shoes. You got these Goodwill mystery pallets going on.
Yeah, absolutely. These have already been gone through. This is just stuff that we don't, that I'm not interested in, and I'm selling them locally in a Facebook dollar auction site. But this is all stuff that I am not interested in. However, you know, I bought 24 Goodwill mystery pallets for $40 a piece, so I spent $960 that day.
That's a good deal.
Yeah,
that's a good deal.
Yeah, and pallet number 1 and 2, the stuff that I grabbed out of those 2 pallets paid for everything.
Well, and you had like, you know, you showed me some of the stuff, and like, I mean, you're even like you started a dollar auction Facebook group, and some of the stuff you got from there is sold for pretty decent money. So, like, I think overall, like the Goodwill mystery pallets, like I think you have a good source. I don't have a source for them in Illinois, but I think you have a good source for them here. Like that's a home run.
You know, I've pulled out books that are worth sending to Amazon out of these things. I've pulled out vintage toys.
And I'm sure if there's going to be a lot of shoes in them, he's just going to save them back, and I'll probably do another trip down here too. So.
That's quite possible.
So I am actually leaving tomorrow. I got caught in a snowstorm like I showed you earlier in the photos. So it's definitely been a weird trip. And I think Jason had to like use his whole body weight to stuff all these shoes in my van.
Yeah.
It's a little full. So anyways, go over and check his channel out. I'll link it down below because he's going to be putting out more Goodwill mystery pallet videos like what, next couple days probably.
Yeah.
So,
I got to dig through 5 of them tomorrow, and I'll be video recording all of those. So
go check that out, and I will see you on the next one.